Hello, guys. Today I will show you that's the buyer told here $1.50. Already I have earned here 26.26 So here app development for that videos record in this video proof. Go to that site. You have to go that site, download the app, log into the app, stay 5 minutes or more, follow host and comment in any live. Cannot use fake download of any apps. Send video proof only. Okay, you have to send a video proof only. So we have created a similar campaign. If you do this, not do what the task was finished, record proof that the task was finished. One, we only pay workers who use video as proof. Show us in video that you have clicked the link, download and log in the app. If you keep forward the with a screenshot pictures proof, your task immediately rejected. So we have to give the video. For the reasons, we have to go that sites. That's bit.ly 3QKJQXT. That's app. Okay. So let's move. That's app. We're opening. That's Google Play Store. We have to go. Okay, we can check it again. It is or not. Okay, we go there. Here is it. Open. No open in browser, especially so direct Google Play Store. Okay, just one sim. Okay, we have to install it. They told us that you have to download the app. Okay, we are downloading. That's app. Here it is downloading. Okay, so what's happening? We are looking for that. It's installing Bigo live stream chat. Okay, that's the app. Okay, we can open it. This time your gender. Okay, you select male, age is 35 plus, okay, select one, done. Sign with phone or sign with Google. So what's happened? That's log into the app and stay 5 minutes or more. Log into the app. Okay, sign with phone. Okay, sign with Google. We select it. It's working. Here is it. we are signing up, just waiting. Save password. Save the password. Here is it. We are refresh. Again refreshing. Lonely Planet is created, and the stay 5 minutes or more, follow host and comment in any live. Follow host. Follow host. Stay 5 minutes or more, follow host. Okay, we can select it in line.
I'm a host now, চাপাবাজ সরো তোমার কথা বুঝি নাই ও আমি তো বললাম ফ্রি গিফট মারতে
They're telling that stay 5 minutes or more, follow host and comment in any live.
ঠিক মতন সব উদ্ধার করে নেবেন ঠিক আছে দিয়া শালা ঠিক আছে একমাত্র তো জীবন পেট চালাইতেই হবে বাইরে গেল তো শান্তি নাই কে কোথায় পাইব জাপ যুগ থেকে দৌড়ে ইন্টারনেট ভাইরাল করে দিব কতজনে আইয়া দেখবা রুস্টিং ফুস্টিং কইরা আমার পয়সা কামাইছে আমার একটা দিতে না তার সে ঘরে বসে এর মধ্যে কাজ করে প্রবাসী ভাইদেরকে একটু সান্ত্বনা দিমো আমারও 2টা পয়সা দিল আমারও সংসার চললো ঠিক আছে বাইরে গেলাম না ইজ্জত লুটাইলাম না যদি আমার কথা ভুল ভালো হয়ে থাকে ভাই সরি সবাই একটু কমার চোখে দেখবেন